In Pleasanton, growth at the Muslim Community Center is leading to controversy over parking.
Community complaints about overflow parking have been escalated now to the city, and the center is trying to take action. KTVU's Ann Rubin joins us live now from Pleasanton with more details on this. Ann?
Yeah, they're taking this very seriously. In fact, they had security guards and a tow truck on standby to make sure nobody parked where they shouldn't. Each Friday, more and more people gather for services here, and that's led to a growing problem at Pleasanton's Muslim Community Center. There's simply not enough parking.
Our parking problems are a sign of our thriving community. While they're a headache, it's a sign of what we're doing that's good.
But the parking situation has gotten so bad that cars have spilled into nearby lots and neighborhoods, and people have started complaining to the city.
Sometimes it's kind of parking is kind of very hard in this area.
Officials with the city of Pleasanton say something needs to change. They've given the MCC a warning. Fix the parking problem or you'll be in violation of your conditional use permit. Still, they say their first step is to work with the center to achieve compliance before initiating more formal action.
To combat that, we are doing everything that we can to make sure that our community members are parking in the right places.
The MCC placed 6 security guards, 9 volunteers, and a tow truck outside. They paid the school district to use a few extra spaces, and once the lot is full, they've got flyers directing drivers to an auxiliary service down the road.
I think it's great. In fact, I'm not sure, but I think they've actually hired people to stand out here to make sure that they're not parking in this parking lot. And so it seems like they're taking all the steps to try and do the right thing.
The MCC says they're acting swiftly, both because they want to be a good neighbor and because they understand what's on the line.
We don't want any repercussions from the city. We want to follow all of the rules. Our faith, again, tells us to follow the rules, be kind to our neighbors, and we're doing everything that we can to do that.
In a statement, officials wrote, the city values MCC's presence and services to the Pleasanton community and looks forward to seeing a near-term resolution to the parking issues. The center hopes that today was certainly a good start. Crystal and Jana?
All right, Ann Rubin there monitoring the situation. I'm sure we're going to hear more about that from the city. Thank you.